आपके अपने YouTube चैनल अध्ययन IAS एकेडमी पर। दोस्तों, अध्ययन IAS एकेडमी IAS 2023 का सिलेबस एनालिसिस आप सभी के सामने आप रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है और उस सिलेबस एनालिसिस के 6 वीडियो ऑलरेडी अध्ययन IAS एकेडमी पर YouTube चैनल पर अपलोड हो चुके हैं। लेकिन यदि आप पिछले 6 वीडियो मिस कर गए हैं कि उसके सिलेबस के एनालिसिस में मैंने क्या बताया था, तो इस वीडियो में मैं उन सभी वीडियोस के लिंक को डाल दूंगा, जिससे आप उन 6 वीडियोस को भी देख सकें और आसानी से समझ पाएँ कि IAS के सिलेबस में माइक्रो एनालिसिस क्या है और किन किन टॉपिक्स पे आपको फोकस करना है। तो उसी की सीरीज में आज हम आप सभी के समक्ष 7th वीडियो लेके उपस्थित हैं। 7th एपिसोड कह लीजिए इसको। इसमें हम आपको ज्योग्राफी के बारे में बताएंगे और आप सभी अगर बहुत समय से तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये आपको पता ही होगा कि IAS और PCS का सिलेबस, खासकर UP PCS का सिलेबस एक जैसा है और जल्द ही इसी मंथ में, फेब के मंथ में UP PSC उत्तर प्रदेश लोक सेवा आयोग भी PCS 2023 का नोटिफिकेशन जारी करने वाला है और IAS का नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका है। IAS 2023 सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन 2023 का नोटिफिकेशन आउट हो चुका है और इस बार CSE की इस सेशन में जो टोटल सीटें हैं, IAS की जो टोटल सीटें हैं 1105 सीटें हैं। कहने का मतलब है कि आप 2023 अगर आप IAS 2023 सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन 2023 में बैठना चाहते हैं और क्वालिफाई करना चाहते हैं, निकालना चाहते हैं, तो इस बार आपके पास बहुत ही बड़ी गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है और आप अध्ययन IAS एकेडमी से जुड़ करके आप अपने इस एग्ज़ाम को क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं और साथ ही साथ अध्ययन IAS की वेबसाइट पर आप रेगुलर विजिट कर सकते हैं, जहां पर आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट बहुत सारे स्टैंडर्ड ऑथेंटिक कंटेंट अवेलेबल हैं और आप उन कंटेंट्स का फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं। तो आइए हम आज आप सभी के समक्ष सामान्य अध्ययन 1 जनरल स्टडीज़ 1 के सिलेबस के भूगोल भाग ज्योग्राफी पार्ट का एनालिसिस रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे और बताएंगे कि आपको ज्योग्राफी में कैसे कवर करना है। तो आज हमारे पास जो टॉपिक है वो है ज्योग्राफी का जनरल स्टडीज़ 1 और हमने इसको सुविधा के अनुसार अलग अलग भाग में डिवाइड कर रखा है, जैसे पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3। तो आज हम आपको पार्ट 4 बताएंगे, जनरल स्टडीज़ का पार्ट 4। आइए देखते हैं जनरल स्टडीज़ का पार्ट 4 क्या है। जनरल स्टडीज़ का पार्ट 4। तो यहाँ पर आप सभी के समक्ष IAS 2023 GS 1 पार्ट जियोग्राफी का बताएंगे और हमने इस सिलेबस को सुविधानुसार 4 भागों में बांट रखा है। तो हमारा जो ये आज का पार्ट है, पार्ट 4A, पार्ट 4A है और इसमें A में क्या है हमारा, वो है इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी। इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी हम आज आप सभी के समक्ष इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी के बारे में बताएंगे और IAS के सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी के इतने महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक हैं। ये टॉपिक क्या क्या हैं ये बात देख लेते हैं। टॉपिक्स इकोनॉमिक ज्योग्राफी के, नंबर 1 आपका वाटर है, नंबर 2 आपका सॉयल है, नंबर 3 आपका फॉरेस्ट है, नंबर 4 आपका जो है मिनरल है, नंबर 5 इंडस्ट्रीज है, इंडस्ट्रीज। तो आप सभी के समक्ष हम इन 5 टॉपिक्स के बारे में बताएंगे। वाटर, सॉयल, फॉरेस्ट एंड इंडस्ट्रीज। दोस्तों, यदि आप सीरियसली आईएएस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और आपका ड्रीम है, सपना है कि हम आईएएस क्वालिफाई करें, तो आप हमारे चैनल से बने रहें और अपने तैयारी के आयामों को नई ऊंचाई तक ले जाएं। श्योर आई कैन विद यू give the good study materials, contents for examination relevant study materials. Therefore, we are going to discuss about the topics which are related to the economic geography as a part 4A for the civil services examination. Here our first topic is the water, second is the soil, third is the forest, and fourth is the mineral, and 5 is the industries. These are only 5 topics according to CSE syllabus, which was prescribed for mains examination as well as for the prelims examination. So therefore, how can we study and how to study and what to study to cover up all these kind of topics? So generally we know here written water, soil, forest, mineral, industries. Then you know, if you are a very regular student of the civil service examinations aspirants, then you must read Hindu newspaper for getting your updates, your vocabs upgrade, your editorial analysis. Adhyayan IAS Academy is soon going to represent the Hindu editorial analysis and all important aspects of the newspaper before you through our YouTube channel. Therefore, you must subscribe. I advise to you, please follow my YouTube channel, Facebook page to get update about it. And now in the current scenario, the UPSC is going to change its trend day by day. Always change its trend. How? Because of there are several kinds of the phenomena. As if we go beyond before 10 years, then what was the framing and the nature of the question paper? There were more questions from the history and other parts, but now the weightage is going to change and the current questions is developed by from the domain of the economy, geography and current topics. But nowadays the question paper trends is the study static or the traditional general studies is linked with the current topics. As for example, water. Water is a very old thing and very good resources for the human life. And you know, there is no life. Life is not possible without the water. So, what is the very important resources for us? Now, if you think in the current scenario, the Indus Water Treaty that was brokered by World Bank, and this treaty was signed between India and the Pakistan for their water resources divisions. But now Pakistan has sued in the arbitration court Hague and demanding just their new consolations. Now, if we go into the Indian continent, there are so many states who have their water disputes. So, this water related issue comes under the social issues, and this can be linked with our question papers, with the static GS, with the current GS. And similarly, soil, forest, as a forest is a very good resource for all kind of resources as economy run several. Minerals, you know, India is have a good minerals resources somewhere. Now, and industries, all are the static GS topics, but these topics can be related with their current scenario. Therefore, come on the first analysis here. Now, our first page, water resources. How? Water resources. Earth's water resources. If you go through the topic, then we first our concept here, Earth's water resources. Earth's water resources क्या है? How? What are the distribution of the water? Distribution and uses. Now, India's water resources. India का water resources क्या है? Surface water, ground water. Surface water and the ground water. You know, generally the irrigations in India, generally in Uttar Pradesh also, tube wells are used for the irrigations, and there is flood irrigation systems, and the flood irrigation systems are very dangerous for the going down to the water level, table. So, how the surface water distributed? How the surface water are distributed? Then interlinking the rivers. As you know that the interlinking river projects in India, this is a very pending scheme, plan that is not going to implement in the present days in coming 2-3 years. But this is the, now this surface water topic can be linked with the current. What are the schemes for the interlinking rivers? So surface water, if we want to organize the water management, then the interlinking of river is a must. So surface water for was interlinking of the rivers, the Ganga Kaveri link canal. Next point, Brahmaputra Ganga link canal, national water grid, Himalayan river development component, peninsular river development components. These are the surface water initiatives for India. So you have to go through all these topics and prepare your notes very well. And if you want to get PDF of this topic, this analysis, you can visit our website adhyayan.com. Groundwater. Now what are the initiatives for the groundwater? Then item of supply to the groundwaters, item of disposal from groundwater reservoirs, hydrological situations, groundwater provinces. This is the bifurcation and the division by Dr. R.L. Singh. According to Dr. R.L. Singh, Pre-Cambrian crystalline province, Pre-Cambrian sedimentary province, Gondwana sedimentary province, Deccan Trap province, Cenozoic sedimentary province, and Cenozoic sedimentary province. Therefore, these are the basically groundwater provinces. Now, we go through Cenozoic fault basin, Ganga Brahmaputra alluvial province, Himalayan province. Water scarcity. You know, there are very great, very important issue. Water scarcity. In India, in the summer time, the water scarcity raised in the Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and also southern India, and few also in the northern India parts. So water scarcity not for the India also, it's the whole of the world also. There is a lack, there is a shortage of the drinking water. India, world. Water scarcity in the term of India and the world. Per capita per year availability of water, WHO guideline. WHO also released the guideline for the water scarcity, water consumption, water dispute and conflicts. A very important thing. So we go through our next topic, water dispute and water conflicts. What is the water dispute and water conflicts? Interstate river water disputes in India. Interstate means, as for example, Kerala and the Karnataka water dispute. International corporations, as Upper Indus Water Treaty. Interstate river water dispute in India. Kaveri water dispute between Tamil Nadu, Kerala and the Karnataka. Kaveri water dispute among the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. The Krishna water dispute between Maharashtra, Karnataka and the Andhra Pradesh, etc. There are so many issues. You can tabularize and prepare notes about this. International cooperation, the Indus Water Treaty. I was going to tell you, is a present scenario. As I have given an example about Indus Water Treaty. Pakistan reached to the International Arbitration Court, Hague, and he just demanded. But India said that the need to amend the treaty. This you can go through very deeply about the Indus Water Treaty and prepare your notes. India-Bangladesh cooperation, India-Nepal cooperation, India-China cooperation, India-Bhutan cooperation. They are top 5 important 5 international cooperations I have listed for you. Indus Water Treaty, India-Bangladesh, India-Nepal, India-China, India-Bhutan. Conservation of water resources. How can we conserve our water resources? Because it's very important things now present days to conserve the water in all ways what we are getting, as a rainwater, as a groundwater, all kind of water, all kind of the resources. Rainwater harvesting, urban area and rural areas दोनों जगह. तो अर्बन एरियाज का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट होना चाहिए, रूरल एरिया क्या होना चाहिए. तो अर्बन एरियाज, हाउ कैन वी कंजर्व द वाटर फॉर द अर्बन एरियाज. रूफ टॉप रेन वाटर, स्टॉर्म रन ऑफ हार्वेस्टिंग थ्रो. रूफ टॉप रेन वाटर को आपको कैसे, रिचार्ज पिट, यू हैव टू बिल्ड रिचार्ज पिट, रिचार्ज ट्रेंच, ट्यूब वेल, रिचार्ज वेल. नाउ there are 4 points that by using 4 points you can just conserve the water resources: recharge pit, recharge trench, tube well, recharge well. How can we conserve water in the rural area? Rainwater harvesting through gully plug, contour bund, garbin structure, percolations, check dams, recharge shaft, dug well, groundwater dam, etc. वाटर रिसोर्सेज वाटर रिसोर्स वर्ड्स के क्या हैं, किस कंट्री में क्या कंडीशंस है, इसके बारे में हम देख सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द लोकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. नाउ व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स थ्रू विच we can locations, manufacturing of industries, historical perspective of Indian industries, industrial development in the planning era, factors influencing the location of the industries, geographical and non-geographical. Classification of industries, how many types of industries we can hear a classification: textile industry, cotton textile industries, jute industries, wooden textile, silk industries. Metallurgical industries, iron and steel, engineering industries, machine tools, transport equipment industries, automobiles, shipbuilding, like this. Soil. Now come on the soil. India. Soil formation in the Indian conditions. Parent materials, relief, climate, natural vegetation. There are 4 topics. Now geographical division of Indian soils: soil of the peninsular India, soil of extra peninsular India, soil of peninsular India, Deccan position of the rocks, sedimentary soils. Now soil of extra peninsular formation, depositions, work of river and soil found, river, valley and the deltas, estuaries also, transported or. Now division of soil by ICAR in 1953, the very important geography topic. 8 group of division of the soil, their description and the reason of availability. Now division of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, forest and the mountain soil, arid and the desert soil, saline soil and the alkaline soil, peaty and the marshy soil. There are 8 categories. You have to follow and just make a prepare and notes. Dear students, aspirants, if you are watching my video, if you are new on my YouTube channel, then I request you all please subscribe our channel to get more updates and more knowledge about the IAS 2023. And for your updation, IAS 2023 notification has been released by the UPSC and the countdown starts, and the upcoming 20th May you have to appear for your prelims. Now come on the topic. Formations, causes, location, features suitable for which crops regarding all soil, characteristic of Indian soil, details regarding all type, problem of Indian soil, naturals. Soil erosion, as for naturally problems, erosion, water, wind. Natural erosion by water, wind. Man-made factor for soil erosions, deforestation, one of the very important cause of the soil erosion, deforestation, overgrazing, and faulty method of the agriculture. Faulty method of the agriculture is the one of the factor, man-made factors for soil erosion. Now, riverine and the riverines, effect of soil erosions and its solution. What are the effects and problems and solution? These are the topics which are going to discuss before you for geography, as economic geography. And if you are going to prepare note, this is I have written, handwritten, and this is around 15 to 16 pages, and we are discussing before you one by one. And if you want to get PDF about this, you can contact our website www.adhyayan.com. Natural resources. Now, natural resources, come on the topic. Natural resources, land resources, water resources, forest resources, mineral resources, and energy resources. There are total 5 kind of resources. It is very important for us. Land resources, water resources, mineral resources, energy resources. Now if we go through all, forest resources for India, tropical wet evergreen and the semi evergreen forest. We are just categorizing about the forest, and we have to prepare bullet notes, brief notes, and area wise notes. So forest resources for India: tropical wet evergreen and semi evergreen forest, subtropical and the temperate wet hill forest of South India, wet temperate forest of South India, tropical deciduous forest, dry savanna and semi desert shrub or steppe vegetation, the desert vegetation, mangrove vegetations and Himalayan vegetation. They are important type of the forest. According to G.S. Puri 1960 and Legris 1963, Champion and S.K. Seth 1968 and S.S. Negi 1990. Their categories are the forest according to these persons: moist tropical forest, dry tropical forest, mountain subtropical forest, mountain temperate forest, alpine forest. These are the categories. Basically forests are tropical rainforest. If you go the simple category, tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, mountain vegetation, desert vegetation, marshy land vegetation. Geographical distribution of the forest area. Geographical distribution of the forest area. Area wise distribution. Forest report. Forest report are published regularly, and getting update about this is a current topic, and you can merge it with this your static topics. Forest products, you know, forest products plays very important role for us. Major forest product, minor forest product. Indirect use of the forest. Indirect use, how can we use indirectly? Prevention and the control of soil erosion. The indirect use means directly not associated, means if you are growing so many trees, forest, means you are just going the forestations, then prevention and the control of soil erosion automatically, this is the indirect use. Flood control, flood can be controlled if these are the indirect use of the forest. Check on spread of the desert. Increase soil fertility. Effect on climate. You know, nowadays climates are going to change due to global warming and other factors playing very important role. So we start our forestations programs, projects. Problems of Indian forestry. रेमेडीज़, क्या इशूज़ हैं, क्या रेमेडीज़ है, इन पे एक शॉर्ट नोट्स. सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री, रेमेडीज़ में सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री, फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन. मिनरल रिसोर्सेज इंडिया. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मिनरल एंड द मिनरल बेल्ट्स. द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पेनिनसुलर बेल्ट, सेंट्रल बेल्ट, द साउदर्न बेल्ट, द साउदर्न वेस्टर्न बेल्ट, द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न बेल्ट. Type of minerals, there are how many types of minerals? I have listed them. Metallic minerals, ferrous minerals, non-ferrous minerals, non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals as now listed: iron ore, magnetite, hematite, limonite, okay, siderite. These are the ore of iron, very important for static GK and other competitive examinations. Production and the distribution, Karnataka. Metallic minerals regions, I am going to tell you: Karnataka, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Goa and Jharkhand. Manganese, production and the distribution of the manganese, Odisha, Maharashtra. Odisha and Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. These are the states which produce manganese. Now, chromomite production and the distribution, Odisha. Chromomite, one and only one state, Odisha. Copper production and the distribution, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Copper is produced by Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Nickel production and the distribution, Odisha, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Kerala. Nagaland, Jammu and Kashmir, nickel. Lead production and the distribution, Himalaya, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand. These are states where lead are produced. Zinc production and the distribution, zinc are produced in Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, South Eret, Valbar, Tamil Nadu. Import. So now next, tungsten ore, all frame. Tungsten है, the tungsten ore is the all frame. Distribution, ठीक है, Degna near Rawat Hills, Rajasthan. Tungsten is produced in Rajasthan. ठीक है, Bengal also. Bauxite production and distribution, Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand, ठीक है, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh. Bauxite is producing so many states: Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh. Pyrites distribution, Lower Son Valley. ठीक है, there are so many things where we can use the pyrites also. Now you can get a PDF by our website. Gold production and its distribution, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, the two states where gold is produced and distributed. Alluvial gold, Jharkhand and the Kerala. Silver ore, Argentine, ठीक है, Stephanites, ठीक है, Pyrographite, Porcites. Distribution, major productions, Jewar mines in the Udaipur, Rajasthan. Silver. Non-metallic minerals, mica. Distribution and the production, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand and the Bihar. Mica is produced here. Limestone are produced and distributed Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka. Dolomite are distributed Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Karnataka. Main producers are, I have told you, main producers Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Karnataka and others. Asbestos are producers and distributors are Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Magnesite producer and the distributors Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan and others. Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Clear? Now there are so many minerals and we have listed each and every one. Now gypsum, producers are gypsum. Where gypsum is produced? Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, Uttarakhand. Major productions. Other states also. These are the major producers of gypsum. You can see for other state also. Diamond distributions, Panna, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, where diamond are produced. Distribution. Atomic minerals, thorium, Kerala, Jharkhand, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan, where atomic minerals are get. Thorium. Beryllium distribution, lithium distribution in Mica belt and Jharkhand. Zirconium, Kerala, alluvial rock, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Uranium, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala and Rajasthan, where uranium is produced. India produced 2% of uranium of world. 2% uranium India में पाया जाता है पूरे वर्ल्ड का. Salt production and distribution and other things. So this is the economic geography. I have analyzed the economic geography for IAS mains and prelims part 4a. Now we are going to tell you next part of the geography in our next video. Till then watch this video and subscribe Adhyayan IAS Academy for getting more updates and more knowledge and up your preparatory level high with Adhyayan IAS Academy. And one advice to upcoming aspirants who are just going to enter in the preparation of the civil service examinations, please be focused and be concise, be authentic during the preparation of notes, and do not run with the huge of study materials, different kinds of books, different kind of magazines. Just with a stick few authentic sources as a newspaper, The Hindu, and one Hindi newspaper you can read, Dainik Jagran or Jansatta, and go through the whole NCERT books from 6th to 12th as for our base or foundation, and then go through your standard books. And for if you want to clear your concept and you know all about difficulty and the technical terms in the Constitution of India, then you go through the Dr. Durgadas Basu, and then you Lakshmikant and Lakshmikant for the Indian polity and other books also. We can give you day by day a different name of the books for different subjects and guidance before you for preparing the civil services examinations of 2023. And I suggest and request you all, please follow my YouTube channel for getting more updates. Adhyayan IAS Academy soon represent the Hindu newspaper analysis for aspirants of civil services basically and other competitive examinations as SSC, railway and banking also, because the editorial of the Hindu is very important, and there is a vocabs which are used in the editorial and other reasons of the newspaper as a text and context and the front page and other way is very good and the very unique terminology and vocabs. So be the part of the Adhyayan IAS Academy and boost your knowledge. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye.